Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I could not be more excited that I am finally making this video because I have thought about this moment for so long, you guys. I have a huge announcement that you are just going to absolutely love when it comes to Halo Beauty. This is something that I have wanted to do from the very get-go, and a lot of you along the way have actually suggested it as well, which has been super cool, and I'm gonna unveil everything that you need to know in this video. I'm just like very giddy, very ready, and I've been counting the days, so I'm so excited that we're finally here. This is like good news across the board. Couple things I want to get out of the way first that are also exciting, but like the real juice is at the end, in my opinion. Actually, maybe they're both exciting, and I should just be very proud of both things that are happening with my brand Halo Beauty. So many of you have used this product, fallen in love with this product, recommended this product to your friends, family, and the buzz has just extended so far and wide. You know, I'm still kind of blown away even still that we're growing the way we are without a marketing budget, without sending out PR. You know, the only time I've actually ever sent out PR has been when I've interacted with someone online that's like, hey, I tried your product, I bought it, I love it, and just wanted to let you know, like, good job you. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you like my product. And a lot of the time I'll be like, hey, I'm happy to send you the new formula to try, like no pressure. Please don't even talk about this. Like I actually will say that. I'll be like, don't talk about it, please. Like I don't want it to be weird. I haven't done formal PR. I mean, I hope to do that one day, but just not yet. So there's nothing wrong with PR. Where am I going with this? We've grown. I'm so proud of this brand. I'm proud of the direction that we're going in and the choices that we're making to evolve and make things better. And, you know, I mentioned the PR thing because my hope for my brand was that people would make this a word of mouth brand because the product itself works so beautifully. And it does. And you can see it in the before and afters. We post often on IG before and afters. You guys send us so much and you're so excited about it. And that just makes me want to push everything even further. So we've grown a lot. I think I've said that like 5 times since I started this video, and you know, we have not even celebrated 2 years as a brand. We have technically 4 products at the moment. We have the Kiwi Booster, which focuses exclusively on the health of your skin, the glow of your skin. Hair, Skin, Nails has a lot of the ingredients that Kiwi has, but also some additional ones that are going to boost your hair and your nails. So it's kind of a all-in-one. And then we have a daily multi that is developed for both male, female, that can be joined in with either the Hair, Skin, Nail or Kiwi and not overlap and be too much of any one thing. I wanted to make sure that all products had a balance and could be taken together without a ton of overlap, like so that you weren't getting too much of something that you just don't need. So that was the thought process when bringing in the multis. I think I'm talking just like maybe a little bit too much. Like I'm that person that when I'm gonna show something that I really love to someone, I'll kind of be like, okay, so just like brace yourself. It's gonna be great. You're gonna love it. And then I'll almost kind of like talk it down just like a little bit, just in case maybe the person doesn't like it. Like I'll do that with an outfit. I'll do that with any of my songwriting because I don't share that side of myself with you guys enough. I want to, I hope to in the future. But with my songwriting, I'll be like, well, it's not finished. I think I want to do this. And like, I kind of like pull back. And this is one of the things in my life that there's no pullback. Like I'm just proud. Like I am so proud of this product. I'm so proud of how it looks. I'm so proud of where we are going. You're about to see a massive change of Halo Beauty. We are changing up the look of the bottles. This is the original Hair, Skin, Nails formula, and the bottle looks slightly different. It's not transparent. You see the rosy pink tone on the actual bottle itself. I think it looks so gorgeous. Like I kind of cannot get over this. Like I love the way this looks. I just want to like, I just want to set it out and look at it all the time, which really was a huge thought process when creating Halo. It was so important to me to make wellness feel beautiful. Like the beautifying supplement should also look beautiful, feel nice, feel like an experience. And I don't want you to look at this bottle and be like, ugh, and like put it in the back of a cupboard and forget to take it. That's not gonna help you. You have to take it for it to work. So that's a challenge in the wellness category, to incentivize a customer to want to leave a bottle out and be reminded and make a ritual of it. So it was really important that the bottle was beautiful, like absolutely. We've leveled up with this colored bottle. Kiwi is now this beautiful, beautiful green. What a like dreamy color setup here, right? It's not just the bottle that has changed. We have a huge announcement, and this is really driven by you guys, the customer, and me wanting to really always, demonstrate to you that I am hearing you. I read the feedback, I hear the feedback, I'm all about the feedback, and I want to make this brand something so special, and you guys are a part of it. So what we did is we have the colored bottles now, but on the inside, they are vegan veggie caps. There is no colorant here. The halo itself, the formula, is identical. It is still vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free. Everything is listed with the percentages, clear label on the back. There's no special secret blend where you don't really know what you're getting of what. The pricing is the same, everything is the same. The only update is a color shift. So back day one, when I was thinking about doing the whole big thing and I was sketching out the bottle and we were looking at it all, my thought was, let's make a bottle that has a wide enough lid that it could be refillable. From day one, I wanted refill packets because it would reduce the cost of the product. It would allow me to not charge as much. Carbon footprint with shipping, carbon footprint with actual materials. It's better for the environment. And I want to do what I can to limit what I'm producing that doesn't need to be produced over and over and over. Meet the Halo Beauty refill pack. Here she is. I mean, I love that I even have like the foil on the actual pack. So this is kiwi. You get the same amount as you would if you ordered the bottle of kiwi. So you're gonna get 30 pills, which is a 30-day supply for kiwi. If you were to purchase the HSN, the Halo Beauty Hair, Skin, Nails Booster, that's 60 pills because you're taking 2 a day. So you're gonna get the 60. So this is a month's supply in a pack of everything that we carry. Moving forward, this will be a permanent product. You will always be able to purchase refills. We are going to be offering a 5% discount on the refill packs. So you can just, off the bat, you don't have to buy a bottle first. You can just purchase the actual refill pack. It's a 5% discount. Now, if you really want to get hooked into a better deal, you can do the subscription option, and this is going to give you a 10% discount on any of the formulas, and you can order one or more or however many. It's going to give you 10% off as long as you are on an auto ship. You're going to receive that 10% off of whatever you are auto shipping, and you are also going to receive free shipping. So happy about that. That is a challenge. I wish I could just wave a wand and have free shipping for everybody, but that's just not how the world works. So this is a great option that I am able to offer that makes sense while I am, growing this wonderful business. So we are able to offer you 10% off with free shipping on an auto renewal service. I'm just really, really happy about this. And so many times when people have commented, you should do a refill, or like these bottles, like what do I do? It's such a waste. I have just had to be quiet and just get ready as quick as I could for this product to be, able to be shipped out, able to be there for you. And I have been working on this for so long. I wanted to do it right. I wanted to make sure we were able to ship and keep everything very protected, and that it would be something really exciting. And I think 10% off with free shipping is definitely very, very exciting. And 5% off if you're just wanting the pack, it's a little something. And we'll go from there. This is less cost for you, less waste to the environment. To me, it's a win-win, and I feel great about it. We are gonna start out just in the US while we get this going, and we're gonna pace from there and see how well the response is, and we're gonna see how it goes as far as shipping the packs before we just flood into global. Now, when I launched Halo, I was like, worldwide, global, glow, it's happening. Like, I want everyone to be able to experience this. And that was a little, it's a little big dream for someone just starting out, because logistically, there are a lot of things that you have to sort through in terms of customs and countries that you can ship and cannot ship. And I just want to say from my heart to yours watching, wherever you are in the world, I want you to be able to try my product. And I will always continue to look for solutions to see that that can happen. We're new, we're not even at our 2-year mark. And I have hope and faith that we're going to get there. And this is another step in the right direction that feels so good. And I hope that you guys are so excited about it. And thank you so much for sitting here and letting me just kind of go through the motions of my own joy, happiness, and excitement. I am astonished that this little engine that could, with your help, your support, your feedback, your love, your word of mouth, has grown the way it has. Like, it's steady. It's not stopping, and I'm not stopping either. And I will continue to raise the bar. I promised you guys that from day one. And here's just hopefully another glimpse at that I mean that. So I love you guys so much. All of the information will be below in the description box. Go check out the website. We have some gorgeous new photos on there as well of the new bottles. Go take a tour, learn some more. Let me know what your questions are. Go follow the Halo IG. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.